For this function f of x, there exists a number c in the interval 0 to 2, which satisfies the mean value theorem. Which of the following should be c? Mean value theorem says that if the functions on the bounds, whatever the average rate of change between those two bound points, there is a point inside the function where the derivative equals that bound. So in other words, all we really need to do is figure out what's the endpoints of 0 and 2. So f of 0 would equal -1. F of 2 equals 2 cubed is 8, minus 1 is 7. And then we're going to go 7 minus -1, the distance between the heights of these points, divided by the change in the x values. So it's from 0, 1, 2, right? It's a change of 2 values. So it's going to be 8 over 2, which equals 4. That means that at some point in this interval here, 0 to 2, there is a derivative of 4 for this function. And that can be easily found by just finding the derivative of this, which is 3x squared, and setting that equal to 4. If you divide by 3, we get x squared equals 4/3, and then take the square root. So x equals plus or minus root 2 over root 3. And you can see here, there's no square root in the denominator, so let's go ahead and rationalize this. It's going to be 2 root 3 over 3. And we're in the interval 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 is not going to include the negative, because that's not in that interval. And so plus 2 root 3 over 3 is the answer.